me and I can't do nothing, you know. I get fired, I get in trouble, I get red out.
Hi.
Yeah.
You do a demolition? Alright, serious.
What happened?
Alright, I'll do it. Alright, I'll make a deal. You can't do this? Alright, we'll work with
No, I can't do nothing in time with it.
You can't even.
Nothing.
Alright, can you make sure you do a spectacular clean wash on my car? Can you make my car wash look like.
That's outside.
Yeah, can you make it perfect?
There's the wash over there and there's tips too. Yeah, either one.
How much is it? What's the price? What am I gonna pay?
I have the $10 wash and the 12.
What's the difference?
Rain-X and Armor.
What?
Rain-X and Armor. They both bring chassis, polish wax, seal wax, and armor tires. Well,
Give me the $10 one. I don't care.
$10?
Yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Okay, right here.
Do I just... Oh, pay it. I'm tired.
Quiere por dentro y no hay por dentro.
That's your boss?
Huh? Yeah, he's gonna go in a few hours.
Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. Fucking lost my money?
Nah, I don't say that.
Nah, I never lose money. It must be good to be rich. Jeez, I need to buy a wallet. I ain't got a Gucci store. So I can't go like $10, 10, right? Can you just make sure these guys dry it, man? You guys dry it out nice, because sometimes it's wet. Like, not you, but like the morning
They
guys,
only try it coming out the blowers and that's it.
they don't go like with those.
It's good
After
enough.
that, that's how the service works, you know. That's not, I'm not in control.
Oh,
you
I'm
know?
not mad. I'm not
Yeah.
mad. It's not your
No,
fault.
I understand, but I would, if it was my car wash, I'll do everything for the best customers and everything, but it's not mine, man.
When in Russia,
Hey, what's
I
up?
wait for the customer back.
What do you say?
There's customers waiting, man.
Yeah, for you. I like that.
$10 wash, right?
Yeah, this is for you.
My bad. Hold on.
Don't give it to anybody else. But it's
Hold
for you.
on. I gave you 8. Hold on.
No. Take the 5 for you. Because I like that answer. You can do that. How do I do this before I go?
Yeah, I'll let you know. Nothing go on. Alright, now you put a note on.
Got you, brother. Yo, I like that answer. Actually, you deserve that.
You know, I'll do the best.
You're ethical. I like that.